Present continuous tense. Welcome to Easy Cozy Learning channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about present continuous tense. When do we use present continuous tense? We use present continuous tense to talk about the action which are going on. For example, she is eating lunch. He is reading a book. Structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus M is R plus verb plus ing plus object. Note: we use M with I only, and with is we use singular subjects like she, he, it, Raj, etc. We use R with plural subjects like you, we, they, etc. For example, he is talking on the phone. I'm going to market. He is running. She is reading a book. How do we make negative sentences? When we have to make negative sentences, we have to add not after is MR. For example, he is not running. He is not talking on the phone. She is not reading a book. Practice. Filling the blanks. She dash eat an apple. They dash play football. I dash read a book. He dash watch TV. Rewrite in negative. They are playing football. I am reading a book. He is watching TV. We are singing a song. Answer time. She is eating an apple. They are playing football. I am reading a book. He is watching TV. They are not playing football. I am not reading a book. He is not watching TV. We are not singing a song. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share for more such videos.